This is one pan chicken keema with fried rice combo, and this is a meal that everyone can make. And we're gonna do all of this in 15 minutes flat. Otherwise, I'll give you your money back. So first we'll get the prep work done and out of the way and start cooking by sauteing the keema over medium heat with some chopped garlic, some shredded ginger, and hit it with some soy sauce, teaspoon oyster sauce, and a bit of honey. Some chunky spring onions, and it's done in 10 minutes. In the same pan, saute some onions with a bit of sugar and green chillies for 5 minutes. And 15 minutes is up, but we'll carry on. The rice goes in along with a teaspoon of soy sauce, a hint of black pepper. Keep stirring on high heat, then some more salt, spring onion greens, and of course some MSG. Stir again on high heat for 2 more minutes and serve.
That is a good start.